हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम बायो का एक सिंपल सा टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे, व्हाट इज डाइजेशन। इसके बारे में आज मैं आपको थोड़ा सा नॉलेज प्रोवाइड करूंगी, ध्यान से सुनिए। व्हाट इज डाइजेशन? डाइजेशन क्या होता है? ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ अ कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड इनटू द सिंपलेस्ट फूड। ठीक है। व्हाट इज डाइजेशन? ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ अ कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड इनटू सिंपलेस्ट फूड। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दैट? जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू आर ईटिंग अ पिज्जा. Pizza is made up of many things. It is having a carbohydrates, it is having a fats, it is having a proteins. Which carbohydrate maybe it will have? It will have a maybe a starch or whatever. So we have to convert into a simple form, that is a glucose. Every carbohydrate must be converted into the glucose form. So this is called as a digestion, where the breakdown of a food that is done to change the food into the simplest form. That comes under the digestion. For example, the fats. We are eating the fats. The fats also have to be converted into the simplest form. So this comes under the digestion. Are you getting my point? Okay, what is digestion? The breakdown of a complex food into the simplest food. Simply, I'm telling you how the digestion starts. Actually, from where we are eating a food. We are eating a food through the mouth. So, firstly, the digestion of a food takes place in the mouth. Okay, suppose if it is a, if I'm making a roughly, this is a digestive system. If I'm making this one, then I'm making a this one, then here I'm making a this one. Okay, so what is this? You should know okay, what is a digestion. Digestion means the breakdown of a complex food into a simplest food. This is a mouth. In the mouth, what is there? The digestion will take place. Digestion of carbohydrates will take place. In a mouth, only the digestion of carbohydrates will take place. What is this J-shaped structure? What is this stomach? Okay. And what is this in between the this one? This is called as an esophagus. We call it as a food pipe also. What is the function of food pipe? It passes the food from mouth to stomach, nothing else. It does not contain anything. It does not help in digestion. The stomach, here the digestion of proteins will take place. Only the digestion of proteins will take place. No digestion of carbohydrates and the fats will take place. Only the digestion of proteins will take place. Then the food passes to a small intestine, and then food passes to the large intestine, then to the rectum, and then to the anus. In the small intestine, you should know the complete digestion of food will take place. Means whatever we are eating, here the complete digestion will take place in a small intestine. It is clear? And what is the function of large intestine? The large intestine, what we are eating, if it is having a water, so it helps in the absorption of a water. So what is the function of large intestine? It absorbs the water. As you are passing the stool in the morning, that is in the solid form. You know, that is in a solid form. Now, why? Because the large intestine has absorbed the water. Then the stool is passed out through the body through the anus. So this is how the brief concept how the digestion will take place. Digestion means breakdown of a complex food into simplest food. And from where the food passes? Mouth to food pipe to stomach, stomach to small intestine, then to large intestine, then to the rectum, and then to the anus. So it is a brief discussion about the digestion. Thank you.